Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on your TCL NxtPaper 10s. So in order to do this, first get the RAR app, and we're showing you how to do that in our other video. Now let's locate the RAR file that we want to unpack on the app. So here it is, let's click on it. It's not protected by any password, so I just got instant access to it. Now select each file that you want to unpack, click on this arrow pointing up, then on the browse, go back, and here find the folder that you want to send the files to. So for example, I'll be moving them to the movies right here. You can change any of the settings, but it's not necessary if you just want to simply unpack it. Click OK, and now let's try finding the files. There should be in the movies right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.